I'm now recording. We're looking at 12.1, which is all about exploring solids. First, we're talking about a polyhedron. Is a solid that is bounded by polygons and encloses a single region of space. The polygon that a polyhedron is bounded by are called faces. An edge of a polyhedron is a line segment formed by two intersections, of two faces. A vertex of a polyhedron is a point where three or more edges meet. A polyhedron is regular if all its faces are congruent regular polygons. Okay, Euler's theorem. This is a big formula you gotta remember. Faces plus vertices equals edges plus two.
We're going to use that tonight.
Yes, you will.
We're going to use that tonight.
Yes.
Square.
Okay, it's so easy. Determine whether each solid is a polyhedron. Now remember, a polyhedron has to be made up of polygons. So is this a polyhedron?
No.
Is this?
Yes.
Is this?
No.
Is this?
Yes.
Okay, why are those no? Because
Because
a circle is not a polygon.
it's not. Yeah. It doesn't have any sides.
Right, only things are sides.
Oh.
Let's turn the paper over. We're almost done, guys. Come on. Circle is not a polygon. Okay, because it has to have straight edges. All right. So, we're on the next page. We got a four-sided pyramid, just like the pyramids in Egypt that Miss Murphy is going to visit this summer. And we are going to count the number of faces, edges, and vertices. So let's talk about this. Square bottom, four-sided, four faces
That
pyramid.
looks like a rectangle. That's like.
Yeah.
It looks like a messed up letter.
Okay. This is a great conversation, but it's wasting time when you do your homework. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. Vertices is the plural of vertex. But Miss Murphy has never been able to spell it correctly. Okay. And edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges.
Honestly, this looks like one of those target setting lines in Star Wars.
Edges are where two faces meet. So it's like the side, the corners.
This looks like little target things that they have in Star Wars.
This is a great story. So we move on. Okay.
Don't you see it?
Yes. All right. How many faces does this have? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many vertices? How many points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's look at that formula real quick before we move on. Make sure we get this. So faces plus vertices equals edges plus 2. So what's 6 plus 8?
Is that true? It's minus 2?
No, it's plus 2.
Edges
Edges plus 2 equals 14. So yeah.
Right, because it's 6 plus 8 equals 12 plus 2.
5 faces and 5 vertices equals 10 plus 2.
So they'll equal each other.
So that's how you know, like, the edges, if you don't really know, you got the vertex with the faces.
Yeah.
So,
That makes much more sense.
so,
Okay,
so is it 12 or 14?
it's 12 edges. Because whatever the edges are plus 2 equals the vertices plus the faces. All right, let's, do we need to do the last two or are we good? We get the whole point? Okay, let's do the 2 story problems on the next page. If we could stop talking while I'm trying to teach unless we have a question or want to answer a question, I would really appreciate it and this would go faster. Yes, please.
How do you D?
How do you do D?
Yeah.
How many faces does it have?
I don't know. It's
1, 2,
crazy.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges, and 7 vertices. Okay, calculate the number of vertices of a solid given that it has 10 faces and they're all triangles. Okay, we know the formula is faces plus vertices equals edges plus 2. Well, we know how many faces. We're supposed to figure out how many vertices, how many edges if they're all triangles. So that's how many one triangle has. How many of the triangles are there? So how many edges does it have? Okay, let's see. So let's 30 plus 2, so we get 32. Subtract 10, we get vertices is. Okay, really not.
Yeah.
Okay, it's because I'm old. I can't group things anymore. Does that happen? Okay.
45.
Yeah,
45.
4,500. All right. Calculate the number of vertices of the solid, given that it has 7 faces, 2 of them are pentagons, and 5 are rectangles. So when it says stuff like this, I get confused. So I like to draw it. I've got a pentagon. Okay, and I know the faces are both pentagons. So then I'm going to connect. Okay, so now I can figure this out. We've got 7 faces. So faces plus vertices equals, let's figure out the edges. We've got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many vertices? Miss Murphy speaking. Yes. Yes. Yep. Bye. Okay, so 15 plus 2 is 17. Subtract 7, vertices equals 10.
So how did you decide you?
5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So you just gotta count them all?
Is that it?
Yeah. Yes.
That's
For the triangles, multiply the 10 by 3. So when you multiply the 10 by 5 and 5 by 4, that equals 30.
I'll come over and talk to you guys in just a second.
This is